You recommended these perfumes to me, so I went out and I bought them. Let's unbox them together. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady, and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hey! Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Wing lady is doing good. Hi guys, so today we are back with another haul and unboxing, and this time around is Fragrance World Perfumes. So I've been seeing your comments about some Fragrance World perfumes that you want me to try and review, so I bought them. I bought 5 of them, and we are going to unbox everything and give you my first impressions, just like we do. This is Absolute Oud Magnificent 7. Yep, someone asked me to review this for them. I don't remember the comment itself. If I see it, I'm going to put it on the screen somewhere. So this is Absolute Oud Magnificent 7. I don't know what this is duping. When I remember, I'm going to put it on the screen. I don't remember what it is duping right now. So let's unbox this together. ASMR. Don't mind me. Okay, so Absolute Oud Magnificent 7 by Fragrance World. It comes in this lovely black box, which I'm loving. Okay, it's giving masculine perfume. Guys, wow, look at the bottle. It's a perfect cube. Honestly, I think it's just going to smell like oud. If you ask me what I think it's just going to smell like oud, like a masculine scent. But let us try it out. I'm going to allow it to settle because, you know, Fragrance World, most of them have this screechy, sharp alcohol opening when you spray them. It's a typical oud scent. What does this smell like? I've smelled this before. Caid. Yeah, Caid. It smells like Caid. It's not that sweet. It's masculine. It's oudy. It has leather. Okay, so it's spicy, it's oudy, it's leathery. It smells like Caid by Lattafa. That leather scent, that sweetness. It's not that sweet. It's not a sweet scent, please. But it's a typical masculine scent, oud and leather. If you like oud, leather, and spices, that typical Middle Eastern combination for men. You know, for women, they do oud and roses and sweetness. But for this is oud, spices, and leather. If you like that DNA, you will love this. Absolute Oud Magnificent 7 simply smells like Caid by Lattafa. Yeah, they smell super similar. If I make a review on this, I'm going to compare it to Caid. Let me know if you want to see a review on that and how soon. Like, which one of these scents should I review first? This is Lady Lazurde. This was also requested by someone. I don't remember, but I went out and I got it. So this is Lady Lazurde by Fragrance World. I don't think Lady Lazurde is duping anything. And if it is duping something, I don't know what it is duping. Right, guys? I think it's an original creative fragrance by Fragrance World. I don't think it's actually duping. I don't think it's actually duping any particular scent. So let me try out Lady Lazurde. It comes in a gold box, beautiful gold box. Okay, with this floral print on it. Lady Lazurde. Whoa, the bottle is mesmerizing. What is this beauty? Oh, wow, guys, look at this. It's beautiful. It's stunning, guys. The bottle is so beautiful. I've never seen such a bottle. It's like blended, it's slender, it was carefully crafted, and I'm loving it. Honestly, I'm digging the bottle. Now, as for the scent itself, well, very misty. Atomizer is very generous. It's quite misty. Wow, gold babe. Oh, is that what I smell? Like, is that actually what I think I smell? Florals and honey. A bit of freshness and soapiness, then musk. I don't know if the notes of these perfumes are actually going to be available online, but it smells floral. It smells honeyed. It doesn't smell fruity at all. Just florals, honey, musk, and some soapy cleanness kind of scent. It smells soapy clean. Guys, it smells like soap, like female soap, like women's soap. Then it smells musky, and it smells florals, and it smells honeyed, a lot of honey. It's quite beautiful, but it's not loud. It's not loud. It's beautiful as a scent. It's top quality actually. It smells nice. I don't know if I'm gonna be a great fan, you know, like a huge fan, because I'm not that into heavily floral scents. But it's a good one. If you like florals, guys, definitely get this. It's florals, it's honey, it's musk, it's soapy clean. That's what you get in Lady Lazurde. It's nice, it's beautiful, but I don't love it yet because it's heavy on the florals, and I'm not a floral person. If you know me, you know I'm not heavy on the florals. Next, we have Barakat Gentle Gold. This is duping Maison Francis Curtijan Gentle Fluidity Gold. I've actually heard a lot about Gentle Fluidity Gold. I don't know what to expect exactly, but I just heard that it smells really, really nice. I mean, it smells expensive, you know, it makes you smell rich, opulent. I'm so into that kind of stuff. And if it smells like that, I'm really going to be into it. And so Barakat bottles usually have this sleeve. So you have to just remove the sleeves of the perfume like so. Okay. Yeah, it comes in a typical Barakat bottle. Okay, let's try this out. I have no idea, just smelling it blindly. I hope it lives up to the hype because I've heard a lot of good things about what it's duping. Alcohol, I can't really smell the fragrance. The alcohol is heavy. It's soft. It's super soft. Why did I think it was going to be strong and heavy? It's soft. It's vanilla. It's sweet. It's floral. It's fresh. Okay, picture this. Soft, sweet vanilla with fresh notes. I'm not sure what's giving it that freshness, if it's like some citruses in there or some bergamots, oranges, tangerine, whatever. But there's a hint of citruses just peeking through the surface. It's not a very strong scent. It's mostly soft, sweet vanilla. Yeah, it's soft, sweet vanilla and fresh. Okay. It's quite sensual. I think there's some musk in here, somewhere in here too. It's quite sensual. It's quite sensual. And you know, the sensuality of this scent will work for both men and women. If a man wears this, it's going to smell differently. Then if a woman wears this, it's going to smell differently, but good kind of different. It's beautiful, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. I cannot wait to see how it actually performs. But it's a soft scent, it's a soft light scent. It's not beast mode, at least for now, but it's beautiful. And it's powdery too. It has some elements of powdery notes in there. So vanilla, florals, powdery, sweet, fresh. This haul is actually very interesting because I'm not getting anything that I expect. So far so good. Everything has been surprising me. The next perfume that we have on this list, this is Aventos For Her. I already tried out Aventos Blue for him, and it's like, you know, just a typical blue fragrance for guys. This is Aventos For Her. This is duping Creed Aventos For Her. Now, I've heard that Creed Aventos For Her smells really, really nice, but I'm not sure which direction this is going to go. Like, I don't know. If you have tried this scent out, guys, please let me know down in the comment section right now before I actually smell it. Let me know what you think it's going to smell like. Look at this. I cannot wait to smell it. Yeah, and the cap keys. The cap is super heavy and it keys. Wow. Okay. Aventos For Her by Fragrance World. So far so good. I've not actually smelled anything that's like knocking my pants off. I've been surprised, yeah, but I've not been overly impressed by this haul. Everything is just smelling normal, you know, basic. There's nothing that's just jumping right at me or making me super excited. Everything is just like basic for now. Okay. Okay. Oh. I want to say this is basic too, but as I smell it, I keep going back. Okay, so far so good. It's like I just bought scents in the same exact family today, because if I tell you that this is going the exact same way as all the others, you may not believe me. This is also vanilla. This is soapy cleanness. This is florals. This is freshness. Major notes. It's also soft, it's sweet, it's gentle. I think this one should be named Gentle Fluidity Gold. It's vanilla. It's not that creamy. It's not a lactonic scent. It's vanilla. It's sweet. It's florals. It's musky. It's soapy clean. It's fresh. It's that kind of clean girl scent. If you're a clean girl, this is another one of you people's perfumes. It's so innocent. It's cute. You know, like an innocent girl, like someone who does not know what everybody's talking about when they make a joke or a dirty joke. There's someone that's just pure and innocent, just angelic, just so simple. Fresh, soapy clean, vanillic, musky, sweet. Not too much. It's not like a sweet perfume, but it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's giving. Out of everything that I've tried so far, this is still my favorite, because even though it smells almost exactly, it smells the same way as the others, this one has a bit of twist that makes you coming back for more. It's intoxicating, it's addicting. You want to smell it over and over and over again. I can't stop smelling my wrist. It just has something that's drawing me in. This is great too, guys. This is lovely. This is beautiful. Okay, now on to the last but not the least. I got Ofia Legend. Hey guys, I got Ofia Legend. I've been wanting to try out the entire line actually, but I wasn't sure which particular ones to buy. But there was a lot of requests for this Ofia Legend, even in my DMs. You people wanted me to try out Ofia Legend. You say it's my kind of scent, that I'm going to love this one. I really hope I do, and I can't wait to try it out. You know, speaking on hauls, guys, which kind of perfumes do you want to see on this channel? I'm thinking about Lattafa perfumes, but I'm not sure exactly which one to buy. I got my eyes on Camera Kawa. Do you think I should get that? Also, I've been wanting to try out that new Honor and Glory, the white one, Badial Oud Honor and Glory. Yeah. As for the new Niche Emirati or Pride collections, they are not easily available. I can't really find them where I live, so I'm still on the fence on those ones. But this is Ofia Legend, and if this is good, should we go and buy all the other flankers? Because there's still Ophylia Onyx, there's Ophylia Intense, there's Ophylia Fiore. Should we go and buy all of those? Okay. Oh, okay, the cap doesn't key. Do not hold this bottle by the cap. It might drop. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at this juice. Ah. Look at this juice. It seems like something I want to drink. It's matching with my lipstick. It seems like something I want to drink. Look at this. Ooh, so beautiful. I cannot wait to see how it smells. Okay. I hope I like this one because you say it's my kind of scent. Shall I go in? Shall I wait a little? Shall I go in? Shall I? Guys, you say this is my kind of scent and I'm gonna like it because it's fruity sweet. I don't like it at all. It's not fruity sweet. Guys, who recommended this to me? I'm coming for you. I am coming for you. I don't like this at all. It smells milky, lactonic, creamy, and not in a good way. It smells like something going bad, like a peach going bad. Ah, guys, Ofia Legend is a no. This smells nothing like the original Ophylia. This is just creamy, milky, lactonic, vanilla. And not in a good type of way, not in a good vanilla, you know, not the kind of vanilla that we enjoy here. No. No, no, no. It's a no. It's a no. I feel like today, the haul was just mediocre. It was just like basic. There was nothing jumping at me. There's no scent. There's no perfume that I tried today that actually got me super excited. Everything is just bland, you know, like it needs a bit of salt. Like you cook a pot of soup and it needs salt. But out of everything that I tried today, the ones that I would actually recommend to you, the ones that actually did something, you know, that piqued my interest, Lady Lazurde and Aventos For Her. These ones are great. They're good. You can buy these ones, you will have no regrets. I love these ones. You can also buy this, but this is not going to be unique. It's not going to be like something you've never smelled before. This one smells like Kaid, and this one smells like a vanilla soapy. It smells it doesn't smell different. It smells like something you already probably have in your collection. So I wouldn't actually recommend you buy this one. It smells generic, like something you already have. This one also smells generic. It's just like the typical wood and leather combination. So I wouldn't actually ask you to buy these ones. But if you buy them, it's still going to be good. If you don't have wood and leather, you can buy this. If you don't have vanilla soapy clean, you can buy this. So that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you have not liked, please like the video right now. This is a reminder, please like it. Then subscribe to my channel for more of me. And until next time, you guys, ciao.